हाय दे, हाउ आर यू डूइंग? तो चलिए आज सीधा मुद्दे पे आते हैं और डिस्कस करते हैं ऐसी 10 स्ट्रैटेजीज, 10 स्ट्रैटेजीज जिससे आप ये पता लगा सकते हैं कि आपकी पब्लिक स्पीकिंग स्किल्स ज़्यादा स्ट्रांग है या आपकी प्रेजेंटेशन स्किल्स ग्रेट है या आप दोनों में ही अच्छे हैं। कई दफ़ा क्या होता है ना कि हम प्रेजेंटेशन तो बहुत अच्छी करते हैं ऑफिस में, इन फ्रंट ऑफ द ऑडियंसेस, जब हम ट्रेनिंग सिनेरियोज में होते हैं, बट पब्लिक स्पीकिंग में फेल हो जाते हैं। और कई दफ़ा हमारी पब्लिक स्पीकिंग स्किल्स इतनी स्ट्रांग होती हैं कि जब हमें बोला जाता है कि आज ये प्रेजेंटेशन करनी है तो हमारे हाथ पांव फूल जाते हैं, हमें पता नहीं लगता कहाँ से शुरुआत करें या कहाँ से ख़त्म करें। तो इन 10 स्ट्रैटेजी से आप ये पता लगा सकते हैं कि आप कहाँ गलती कर रहे हैं और कैसे आप अपनी स्पीच को या आप अपनी कन्वर्सेशन को एम्प अप करें जिससे आप दोनों ही फील्ड्स में अच्छा बोल सकें। तो चलिए देखते हैं 10 स्ट्रैटेजीज ये कौन सी ऐसी स्ट्रैटेजीज हैं। पॉइंट नंबर 1, पब्लिक स्पीकिंग इज नॉट नेसेसरीली प्रेजेंटेशन, इसलिए यहाँ विजुअल्स का इस्तेमाल नहीं होता। The idea is to create a picture in the mind of the audience so that they stir something in the mind of the audiences. ये बहुत बड़ा डिफरेंस है। Presentation normally is a platform where visuals are used. तो विजुअल्स, अगर आप विजुअल्स में अच्छे हैं और आप स्क्रीन को देख के बता सकते हैं कि वहां क्या हो रहा है, देन यू आर गुड एट प्रेजेंटेशन स्किल्स। पॉइंट नंबर 2, public speaking is about larger ideas, views, and concerns, whereas presentation is about day to day mundane concerns. It is about the facts and figures related to military, education, practical matters, building, construction, engineering, etc. Point number 3, public speaking में degree of formality is more. It is more formal in nature, whereas presentation is not formal in nature. Public speaking scenario में point number 4, जो कि आप बुक में भी नोट कर सकते हैं, public speaking में normally हम जिन जिन कपड़ों का प्रयोग करते हैं, जो कपड़े डालते हैं वो फॉर्मल होते हैं, जैसे टक्सिडोज, सूट्स। जो जो लीडर्स होते हैं दे वेयर समथिंग विच इज resonating with their personal style. Sometimes it could be a national dress, कुर्ता पजामा, मे बी मोदी जैकेट जिस तरह से मोदी जी पहनते हैं, something which is unique to their personal style. Whereas presentation is normally done in pants, shirts, slacks, it could be coats also, but it is not necessarily very, very formal. Point number 5, public speaking scenarios में objective is large and deeply focused, whereas in presentation skills, objective is small and narrow focus. Point number 5, there is no room for mistakes in public speaking. You cannot afford to speak and go wrong when you're addressing. Whereas in presentation skills, even if you go wrong or you make a mistake, you can always talk to the audiences and say, I think I made this mistake and let me correct myself. Whereas in public speaking, you're meant to excel. Point number 6, public speaking is addressed to a large number of audiences. So there's one person who's addressing a huge audience. And obviously, the focus is to stir something or to create a picture in the mind of the audience with your words. So you've got to be really good at it. Whereas in presentation skills, you address a small number of audiences and the focus is more subject oriented, subject of that day. चलिए नेक्स्ट पॉइंट देखते हैं। पब्लिक स्पीकिंग सिनेरियो में ज्यादातर लोग क्वेश्चन आंसर्स नहीं पूछ सकते हैं। देयर इज नो रूम फॉर आस्किंग क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स टू द लीडर और द टॉप पर्सन हु इज स्पीकिंग to the large number of people who are sitting in the auditorium or addressing a huge gathering at a place which is like a large ground. So people cannot ask questions. Whereas in presentation, if you are having a presentation in the office or if you're having a presentation in front of audiences or if it's a training scenario, there is a separate time slot for asking questions, and normally it is given by the end of the presentation. Sometimes the presenter can ask the audiences if they have to ask the question right in the middle of the session. So, this is the major difference between a public speaking and a presentation. There is no room for question and answers, and here there's a lot of room for asking a lot of questions. Presentation is normally done from top level to bottom level, so from high to low. A person who's the CEO of the company, a leader, anybody who's a big shot will make a public speech to the general public or the audiences. Whereas the presentation is from bottom to top. So the person who's working in the office, probably, a person who's, just doing a presentation could be addressing CEOs of the company or, executives of the company. It's normally from bottom to top. So this is the major difference between the public speaking and presentation. Last but not the least, the main purpose of public speaking and the speaker who is addressing the people is to light and ignite, to inspire, to motivate, create feelings and emotions, and to change the world at large. So the objective is very different from that in the presentation. Whereas the main objective of a presenter is to deal with subject and hand, subject in hand by organization of thoughts. Presentation has to be crisp and clear. Sometimes they are just bullet points to deal with the subject matter of the day. And it is not largely motivated to inspire and motivate the people or to ignite something in them. So ये था major differences between a public speaking or a presentation skill or a presentation. So you can see whether you're good at one or the other or you're good at both of them. And for more such videos, you can always put it in the comment box as to what kind of videos you would like me to post. And stay tuned for more from your life strategist, Sapna Handa. Bye bye and have a great week ahead.